your girl Chilee, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to my page. And if you're a returning subscriber, then as always, I appreciate you. So in this video, I will be doing an initial unboxing slash review of this hair. Now this hair is from Arabella. I have done a review of this company's hair in the past, and I decided to try out their Yaki hair. All right, you guys, so I have the hair here and I'm about to open it up. Now, if you have had Yaki hair before, the texture of this hair is more kinky, natural, more so kind of what a black girl's hair if she blows it out. For some reason, all the packages that I've been getting recently, and I'm just gonna blame it on COVID, they've been beat up, if you can remember the last unboxing that I did. So hopefully, read the box. It looked like somebody stepped on it. Yeah. You know, typically with these hair companies, they'll throw in a little extra something here, extra something there. So they threw in this little clip. I think this is cute. I actually would use this. And then they put seems to be like a band that you can attach to the wig, but I'm not entirely sure. So I'm just gonna open it up and see exactly what this is. So it has like a hook on one side, and then it has the hooks on the other side. So I guess you would hook it like so, like that, and that would be what you sew on the back of your wig. So I think that's nice. Like I said, it doesn't have that much elasticity, but it's pretty nice to me that they threw that in there. What else? So they threw in this, hold on, what is this? Hold on. I like this, this is cute. So inside, they put some more clips. I actually think these are really cute. So shout out to Arabella for throwing these little hair accessories in there. I will actually use these. Wow, Arabella! Hold on! Now they threw in a free edge brush. If you do your edges, you know exactly, like, this is actually a nice edge brush. These actually do come in clutch. So they sent a little wig cap. I think this is for your edges, so wow! This is actually the best little trinket or little gift I've ever gotten in a wig box ever. Like, they really came through. Now let's get into the hair. So this is just what the wig looks like coming straight out of the box. Let's do a smell test. So it smells like your typical wig, and I want to say this even smells a little more on a burnt side because it's Yaki, but it's not that strong. I've definitely smelled worse. I'm gonna show you guys the construction of the wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this inside out. It comes with your combs and your little bra strap at the end, so that's always clutched for secureness. But this is different. They put 4 combs, as you guys can see, going all around. So I think that's really nice for the construction. And then it has, of course, this lace area. This is actually the back of the wig. So they have this lace going in the back, and I think that's really good for back lace. And then what's different about this wig that I guess, I'm assuming this is what this is for, they have these hooks already in place. So I thought you would just sew this on if you felt like it, but I think this is actually for extra security, which is really, really good. I feel like this can almost be glueless with all of these extra installments. From just the looks of it, it's not a lot of frontal space, but I like the construction of this wig. I like how it's all circular in the back, like full lace going all around. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Wow. Wow. Wow, you guys. I'm in love. Hold on. Is this what love at first sight feels like? It's the softness for me. It is the softness for me. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see. If you look at the roots of the hair, the roots are actually kind of straight. So I'm gonna do a texture shot. I'm gonna get close so you guys can see the texture of this hair. Like I said, it's almost like black girl blowout type hair. It's thick, it's very natural looking, and it even has a shine to it. But if you guys look at the roots of the hair, the roots are really, really straight, almost like it's a different texture. And honestly, I think some people would not like that, but I actually like that because with this hair, I mean, you can wear it in this state, which I think is the point, but if you blow dry this and straighten this, I think having the roots already like low-key pressed makes all the difference. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually scoot this wig back so you can see what the hairline looks like. So it's actually plucked a little bit, which is really nice. I think it has like a really nice natural hairline already going on. So if you were to bleach the knots and pluck it just a little bit, I think that this hairline would already be perfect. Actually, I want to show you guys what the back looks like. Like I said, this has lace going all around the back as well. Straight out the box, I'm a fan. So because this is an unboxing and initial review, I'm gonna go into the pros and the cons of the hair so far. So number one, density, of course. With Yaki hair, if you get Yaki hair and it has low density, you got scammed, period. As you can see, and as I stated, as soon as I took it out the package, y'all, this hair was super, super soft. So I would say that's also a pro. And so far, let's see if we get any shedding. We have 2 hairs right out the box. You can see them. So shedding, it did not pass the shed test, but let's see what we get with the second pull. I'm not even pulling hard, by the way. Nothing. So I did get those 2 initial hairs, but overall I don't think shedding is a problem. I actually did not attach this clip, but the fact that it even comes with it is really, really nice. Like, it's not just a regular elastic band. Like, it has hooks, and then it has 3 different sizes that you can adjust it to fit your head. So I feel like that was really, really nice for the construction of the wig. And right now it already feels tight. So I know once I hook those bra straps and I add this clip, this wig is not going nowhere, honey. This wig is staying right on this head without glue. Another pro, I really like the natural hairline. So I showed you guys that clip. I really do like that. The fact that it already comes pre-plucked is really, really nice. For 22 inches, I still feel like the hair is really long. So that's another pro. Honestly, guys, I don't even have any cons for this hair. Like, I'm gonna keep it a bean with you guys. I don't have any cons for this hair out the box. And I'm always gonna give you guys the truth from my reviews. I don't have any cons about this hair. This hair is thick, this hair is long, this hair is soft, this hair is bomb. Period. All right, you guys, so that does bring me to the conclusion of this initial review slash unboxing. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions about this hair, make sure to comment them below and I will answer them. But like I said, I will leave the link to this unit down below. Thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Peace, love, blessings.